Hello friends, today I will show you how to know if your PC has a virus, and without needing to download any programs or pay any fees. If you're ready, let's begin. First, type run in the search bar in the bottom left corner and open it. You can also open the run command by pressing the Windows and R keys. Type MRT in the run command and click OK. This is Microsoft's own virus removal program, and it's free. Click Next. Here you will be asked to choose a scan type. As the name suggests, Quick Scan performs a fast scan. You can choose this option if you are short on time. However, full scan will give you a more efficient result. Remember that a full scan can take several hours. Check the box for the type of scan you have chosen and click Next. Wait for the scanning process to finish. This takes approximately 4 to 5 minutes. The scan finished and reported that it found no malware on my computer. Let's move on to the next step. Open the run command again. Type this word and then click OK. If you find a user account added without your knowledge on this page, click on the account, then click Remove. Finally, click Apply and then OK. In the final step, type Startup in the search bar in the bottom left corner and open Startup Apps. On this page, you can disable any applications that seem suspicious to you. I hope this tutorial video on how to know if your PC has a virus was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Error Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.